Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make cranberry brie bites. So let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, cut a block of brie into bite-sized pieces. Next, chop up some pecans. Finally, cut 2 sheets of pastry puff into small squares. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side. Next, we're going to make the egg wash. In a bowl, add 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Beat the egg and water together until smooth and slightly frothy. When you're finished, set your egg wash to the side. Next, grease a muffin pan. Then press the pastry puff squares into each muffin cup. Now place 1 piece of Brie cheese in each muffin cup. Then add a teaspoon of cranberry sauce on top. Next, sprinkle pecans over each one. Next, fold the edges of the pastry puff over the filling. Once you finish folding the pastry puff, brush the top of each cranberry brie bite with egg wash. Now place the brie bites in the oven at 375 degrees for 18 to 20 minutes. Once the brie bites finish baking, transfer them to a plate to serve. Then garnish the cranberry brie bites with rosemary. And this is the finished result. If you want to be a little extra, drizzle some honey on top. It tastes delicious. These bites are super easy to make and make a great appetizer. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.